are now in Asian largest pheasantry. This pheasantry is the part of Wildlife Department, Mansehra Division, Skepi. So this pheasantry contains a number of the birds, number of the pheasants, and number of the animal biodiversity. Here you see a number of the pheasants in the biggest pheasantry of the Asia, which is a part of Mansehra Division, KPK.
Located adjacent to the
And the location is very beautiful. That is just located adjacent to the Mansehra University, Mansehra. Here you see a beautiful peacock.
ये मेल है डॉक्टर साहब, खूबसूरत जो होता है.
A beautiful color is a male pheasant. These are the native birds of Himalaya, Western Himalaya and Eastern Himalaya.